Welcome. Today, we recognize that launching an AI model is not the end. It's the beginning of an ongoing learning loop. Just as industries evolve, our AI must evolve with them, constantly learning from new data and feedback. This continuous feedback loop ensures our models remain effective, relevant, and responsible over time. No matter the industry, an AI model deployed today begins to age tomorrow. Data drifts, customer preferences shift, and fraudsters devise new tactics. Without a feedback loop, an AI model's performance can decay. Continuous feedback loops act as a renewal mechanism, like a coach giving constant pointers to an athlete. They help the model adapt to changing conditions, meet rising user expectations, and stay one step ahead of the competition. In business, standing still means falling behind. Feedback loops ensure our AI never stands still. Continuous AI improvement is a universal need, from storefronts to hospitals. In retail, every customer click and purchase feeds back into recommendation engines, refining suggestions in real time. In healthcare, as patient outcomes emerge, AI diagnostic tools can learn and adjust, improving accuracy in identifying diseases. Financial institutions rely on AI that evolves as fraudsters do, updating fraud detection models to catch new schemes. Even on the factory floor, machine sensors generate feedback that helps predictive maintenance models preempt breakdowns. Across industries, continuous feedback turns AI from a one-time tool into a living learning partner. Different AI models leverage feedback in tailored ways. Large language models like chatbots and GPT-style AIs are fine-tuned with human feedback, a process known as reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, to align their answers with user preferences. Recommendation engines ingest each view, click, and purchase, continuously retraining to capture evolving tastes. Fraud detection systems treat every fraud incident as a lesson, updating their patterns to catch similar attempts in the future. Predictive analytics models, say, sales forecasts, get corrected with actual outcomes, so next time they predict more accurately. Even chatbots and virtual assistants should learn from conversations. By analyzing where they misunderstood users, they can improve responses, but this must be managed carefully. We all remember Microsoft's Tay, which, uncontrolled, learned the wrong lessons from trolls and had to be shut down in 16 hours. The key is guided learning from feedback. Let's look at success stories. Netflix famously treats data as gold. Every thumbs up, watch duration, or search informs its recommendation AI. By diligently closing the feedback loop, Netflix increased user engagement by 20% and saved an estimated $1 by reducing churn. In the automotive world, Tesla turned each driver into what Elon Musk calls an expert trainer for autopilot. Cars send driving data back to improve the self-driving model for all vehicles, with noticeable performance gains each week. Amazon's product recommendation and search algorithms are continuously tweaked through A/B tests and user behavior, driving higher conversions and basket sizes. These examples show that continuous learning isn't just a tech ideal. It delivers real-world results in revenue, safety, and satisfaction. Continuous feedback loops must be managed wisely. Microsoft's Tay chatbot is a cautionary tale. It was designed to learn from user interactions, but without proper filters, it absorbed the worst of the internet, leading to offensive outputs and a very public failure. Amazon's experimental hiring AI inadvertently learned from past hiring data that was biased against certain applicants. The unchecked feedback loop amplified discrimination, forcing Amazon to scrap the project. Even recommendation algorithms like YouTube's have faced criticism. By optimizing blindly for engagement, they risk creating echo chambers or promoting extreme content in a feedback loop of sensationalism. The lesson? Feedback loops need human oversight and ethical guardrails. Learning must be targeted and values aligned. With great power comes great responsibility. As we continuously improve AI, we must also continuously govern it. Leading frameworks like the NIST AI Risk Management Framework call for ongoing risk monitoring and feedback-driven improvement with stakeholder input. Privacy regulations such as GDPR and CCPA demand that if we use user data as feedback, we do so with consent, minimal data collection, and the ability to explain and undo as needed. In healthcare, regulators like the FDA historically locked AI models upon approval. no learning allowed, to ensure safety. Now there's growing support for adaptive algorithms that can update under strict oversight. Every model update should be auditable. We need a clear trail of what changed and why to maintain trust. The governance message: improve the AI, but keep your ethics and compliance teams in the loop. Continuous improvement isn't just for tech giants. Small and mid-sized enterprises, SMEs, can and should harness feedback loops in practical ways. Major cloud platforms, Amazon SageMaker, Google Vertex AI, Microsoft Azure ML, offer managed services for model monitoring, drift detection, and automated retraining, letting SMEs pay as they go for sophisticated capabilities instead of building from scratch. The best approach is to start small. Pick a critical AI feature, maybe your website's product recommender or a customer service chatbot, and pilot a feedback loop there. Use automated monitoring. There are even free open-source tools to alert you when model accuracy dips or data changes. Crucially, keep humans in the loop. Create simple channels for employees or users to flag errors or suggestions. For example, internal teams might hold monthly AI review meetings, or customers can click, "Was this answer helpful?" in your chatbot. Collect that feedback. As one SME advisory says, create channels for open feedback and use it to improve AI processes, building a culture of continuous improvement. Finally, budget time and money for iteration. Treat model updates as normal as software updates. This ensures your AI stays sharp without breaking the bank. At HIGTM, we blend visionary leadership with hands-on pragmatism. Think of it as having a former president's foresight and a startup founder's agility on your side. We craft customized feedback loop strategies tuned to your industry. Whether you're a retailer refining recommendations or a healthcare startup perfecting a diagnostic AI, our approach embeds governance by design, so ethical compliance is baked into every improvement. And we don't just hand over a playbook and walk away. We partner with you through post-launch monitoring, retraining, and optimization cycles. In a world where AI is ever evolving, HIGTM provides the steady guidance to ensure your AI keeps learning the right lessons. Let's continuously improve together. Visit higtm.com to schedule a consultation and lead your AI to greatness. Thank you.